Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. I hope you're all well. Today I'm making a very simple autumnal card, and this is the one I've already made called Grateful. It says, and it's got this lovely little wreath and little bow. Very simple card. Stamp set is this one called Cottage Wreaths. And as you can see, we're going to use these two wreaths and the word Grateful, and so I have a spare piece of basic white. We're going to start off with stamping our twigs in soft suede. So for ease, I've just got it all set up here in the stamp apparatus. Perfect. And I should say this colourway that I did here was Cajun Craze. Today I'm going to do a different colourway, which is going to be Blackberry Bliss and Rich Razzleberry. So let's give our Stampy a little clean so we can take it out of our block, our stamp apparatus. Put that there, and then I'm going to just put here our leaves. Now I spent ages trying to line this up, and I came to the conclusion that don't take so blooming long to do something simple. It'll look fine. So there is this is going to be my leaves. And these ones are going to be this dark colour. Was Blackberry Bliss. And most of it could do with a little bit of re-inking, but actually will be useful in this case. There, just like that. Okay, so set that aside, and where's my simple chamois gone? I'm going to definitely clean this up before I move any longer. Anything that has a red pigment seems to always get everywhere and make such a mess. I don't know why. It just is. So I'm just taking my lid off so I can give everything a really good clean up. Otherwise the ink just goes everywhere. Now at least it can just go on my hands, as you can see. Okay, so let's move that away, and then our word Grateful. So this I'm going to cut out using the matching die here, as these are the Cottage Wreath dies, and I have embossed a piece of cardstock, as you can see here. Don't know if you can see it, but I have embossed it, I promise you. And I've used this embossing folder called Leaf 4 to emboss. So let's stick this down, and I'm going to just stamp our little word Grateful in the corner here. I embossed first so that I'd know my placement for my little word. I'll pick that up. I'm going to stamp again in Blackberry Bliss. Lovely. So I'm going to clean this up, cut the wreath out, and I'll be back. So I cut the little bow out of some Rich Razzleberry cardstock. Designer series paper. And now we're going to assemble our card. So let's bring in our card base, which is Rich Razzleberry, and I've got another piece of basic white for my insert. It measures the same as the piece we embossed on the outside. So I'm going to do that, and then on the outside I'm going to put my embossing. And I'm going to use wet glue just because of the embossing. Make sure I put it the right way around, so it's always useful. just like that. And then I'm going to use some of these things. I don't know which size I'm going to need. I think just normal will do. Yeah, normal will be fine. Dimensionals on my wreath. That will be fine. And then take the backings off these things. Autumn seemed to come very early this year, and I think it was because it was a fake autumn, because everything has been so dry, was so dry that, you know, everything just started to turn and lose its leaves so early, which was sad. Hopefully it'll all be back next year. So now we're going to just put our little bow here. So a little bit of glue on the back of the bow. Like that. There we go. And then finishing touches. Get that out of the way. Finishing touches are these elegant faceted gems, as you can see here. And now I don't know what colour to use, maybe the clear? Let's see. Yeah, I quite like that. Just gives a very something, slight something. So there are the two cards. You've got Rich Raspberry and Blackberry Bliss or Cajun Craze. Which colourway do you prefer? I hope you did like the card. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the link to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.